Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you read the title, today is going to be an influencer unboxing. I actually got 2 Voxboxes in this month, so I was like, you know what, since I just got one of them today, might as well just do both since I haven't done a review on the other products. Now, I've talked about Influencer in a couple of videos, but if you're new, this is your first video like you're ever coming into, and you've heard a lot of things about Influencer. Influencer is basically a program or an app that has been created where people can go ahead and review and rate products that they've tried, whether it's skincare products, food, fitness, technology, makeup, you name it, hair products, the list goes on. And as well as Influencer can send you free boxes. What I will say is, I already said this in another video, but I don't think a lot of people saw that video. A major way to get a lot of boxes, I feel like, is being active on the platform. At least for me, that's what I've noticed, because I've gotten a lot of boxes between this year and just we're only in January, and I've gotten 2 Voxboxes within this month. So I say that with consistency. I know a lot of people always say like, oh, I'm not getting Voxboxes. Also, it's going to be catered towards you as a person, so that's another thing to be mindful of, because they don't just give any boxes. And also, I would say this, when you get surveys, so normally they'll give you surveys in your mailbox, and I don't always try to get the surveys done that day. Once I look at my email and I see survey time, I do the surveys. Normally the surveys are pretty lengthy, but the surveys are just there for you to pretty much so you know, like, whatever, maybe your hair type, how long your hair is, what's your skin type, what type of perfume scent you like, because sometimes they'll give out perfumes. I've gotten perfumes in another Voxbox, and I'll leave a playlist. I should just put a playlist actually of different Voxboxes that I've gotten down below, so that you guys can see other unboxings. But yeah, and also do your snaps. When you first are new to the app, it's a lot of just answering questions because they want to get to know you as a person. So I suggest being honest and truthful. Things that I don't like, I just say no. And as well, you can opt in and opt out, meaning you can opt in if you want to try the brand, and opt out if you don't think this brand is not for you. You have that choice as well. But let's get into the 2 Voxboxes that I got. This one I got, the e.l.f. I believe I got last week. I was waiting to actually Camo CC cream with the broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. As you can see, it says Influencer on the box. And I love how they're like always creative with their boxes. Like, to me, I love the designs all the time. For the most part, they make it unique to everybody's box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So I actually opened this already, if I'm being honest. I just never tried anything yet. So as always, they always give you like a little pamphlet, and it tells you what you need to do. So every box is different. This particular box, it says this e.l.f. Beauty's new Camo CC cream, full coverage for the natural finish, skin loving ingredients, collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. I think I said that right. Broad spectrum FPS 30, and they have 20 shades of this different color. My only thing that I'm scared about is that my shade might not match my skin. I know a couple of people said that the shade wasn't close to their skin, so that's the only thing that's kind of hard when it comes to like the makeup stuff, because I'm like looking like, does this match my skin color? They show you like the swatches of all the skin colors, but I'm just like, I don't know. So that's the only thing I'm scared of. And then it said, just to get started, log into your Influencer app and check out your e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo CC cream Voxbox, and then review it. And then they give you the hashtag. So this is like a before and after of one person trying it. So, this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream that I got. And let me see if I can tell you guys the color. Let me show you guys. This is the packaging it comes in. Take it. Because honestly, I don't remember what color I got. That's why I was trying to see if it says what color I got on here. But I don't think it does. So it says basically for how this works is, because I've actually never tried a CC cream, and that's why I was kind of interested in trying this specifically. It says this your basic foundation. This color correcting cream is the only product you need to achieve a natural looking complexion, but with full coverage. A multitasking dream cream infused with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. known to plump, hydrate, and smooth the appearance of your skin while protecting with SPF 40. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps of the CC cream to clean skin using our e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush to achieve and full coverage. So I feel like now that this year I keep on getting like makeup stuff and I'm like, oh, I need to use this. So I feel like I'm just gonna randomly be doing my makeups on the weekends just to try these products. I got the deep 50, the deep 540N. That's the color that I got. So I just really hope that, let me show you guys once again. So I just really hope that this color matches my skin. It looks like it will, but let me do a little swatch for you guys. Because it's one thing me putting it on my hand and another thing me actually trying. I don't want to use too much. So let's see. It looks like it's gonna, I may have used too much. I didn't mean to do it, but I did it anyway. So this is the color on my hand. Hope you guys can see it. So we hope that it fits my face. I can't really tell right now unless I try it. It looks like it's close to my complexion, but we will not know until I try. I'm just going to quickly go into my Influencer app. Get into the next Voxbox, which I actually did not know I was going to get, to be honest. So recently, this is the Milk Makeup. I literally just got it. Like, I opened my door to check with the mail. I don't know when it came. But anyway, so this one is the Milk Makeup, again, Influencer. Like I said, I love how they make something different. So I got the Milk Makeup one, and by the time this drops, it will be after. So pretty much one of the items in this box was supposed to be kept a secret. So I can't even, on my app it says I can't even click to actually post or do anything because it's supposed to be kept a secret. But I can share it to you guys now because when this drops, it will be Friday, which is the day after. It's supposed to be not be held a secret, which will be the 29th. This is gonna drop, yeah, this will drop on the 29th, but they said you have to keep it a secret till the 28th. So anyway, I got the Milk Makeup. Now, on first glance, I already have 2 of the products just simply because last month, which was my birthday month, I had chosen like the free samples, and Milk Makeup was one of the free samples, and so I got, because I heard good things, so I wanted to get that. And fortunately for me, the product that I got was 2 products that I got this time. The only difference is the ones that I got this time are the bigger sizes, if that makes sense, or they probably sample sizes, but they're bigger than the size that I got from Sephora. So I guess I'll start with the products that's not the secret products. The secret product, I should say. So, which means I should have showed you guys this yet. Okay, so the first product I'll show you guys is the Hydro Grip Primer. So like I said, I have the smaller, like, so the ones that I have is like literally like a small packet, really. And I tried it before. I liked it. What I like about this one is it looks like it's in a pump form, the one that they gave me, which is nice because then I can just easily spray this without like squeeze it out. I still have some of the sample. This is once again the Hydro Grip Primer. It's with hemp derived cannabis extract plus blue agave extract. Activate all day hydration and hold. Take your skin on a trip. It says pump 1-2 shots. I was gonna open it, but I feel like it's about to. Oh, okay. So yeah, so this is the pump version. I do like the pump version better than the little packet that I got because I feel like it's easy to just pump and you can close it. So this is what it looks like. So definitely when I finish the other one, so I already know, I pretty much like this. I like the other one that I had, so I already know what my review would be about this one. For my Sephora, when I got my free gift from Sephora, is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Now I got a bigger size as well. I feel like this is also a sample size, but it's bigger than the Sephora one that I got because the Sephora one that I have is a smaller ounce. And this is just a high volume, and I also use this already, so I know that I like this as well. So it's kind of good when I kind of get products that I've already used, but that normally doesn't happen. This is just a coincidence that I got 2 products that I've actually used or tried before recently. But this is the Milk Clutch Mascara. It's supposed to have high volume, naturally lit, puff brush, brose, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, I feel like maybe the sizes are a little bit similar. I would have to look, but yeah, this is the Milk Makeup Kush. So like I said, I've used this already, so I won't necessarily do a review on it because I already, like, I guess for you guys on YouTube that is, because I already know like how I like it, so it will be really easy for me to give my opinion. But I might try it on a video, and then yeah. So this is the brush, and yeah, so that's that. Never not having much mascara. I think for me, mascara is one thing that finishes the quickest when it comes to my makeup all the time. The moment that you've been waiting for, the exclusive new, apparently this is a new product that just dropped that nobody knows about. So you guys can see the nice packaging that they put Milk Makeup on here, but guess what? So the thing that I got, the new thing that I have, is the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Skin Sunscreen. And it says that it's a skin tint plus face oil plus sunscreen. The skin tint is to provide weightless light coverage. There's 14 sheer shades and are adaptable to work across multiple skin tones. The face oil has grapeseed oil, avocado, mandarin, jojoba, and olive oils, which moisturizes for a dewy finish. And then it also has the sunscreen component, which protects with coral reef safe broad spectrum SPF 30. The broad spectrum SPF 30 contains non and nano zinc and won't cause flashback. So it says online only, and it's coming soon, I guess, to other. Online only for the cartridge, meaning the refill. It's kind of like reminds me of Fenty, where you get you can purchase the refill cartridge. This is actually $42 for the 16mm. Did I get the 16mm? I think I did. Yes, I did. So they gave me the full size product. $42 for this. So this is the box that it came in. It lasts for 2 years. Nice. So because, I mean, not 2 years. We're in 2021. 1 year. It expires on October 10th. And this is just the box it comes in. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual product. Really interested in trying this when I do get a chance to try it. I do have a month left to try these products, but I really only need to review this one. So yeah, like, it's a full size product. I love the packaging of. I guarantee I like all the Milk Makeup packaging. Like I said, I'm pretty new to Milk Makeup. That's why I wanted to try it last year. But this is what it looks like. And I guess this little tube, the brown tube with your color, is what you can get to refill. I'm trying to see how you open this. Oh, this is cool. It looks like it reminds me of those lip glosses. I don't know if you, like, growing up when I was, I think, elementary school, those glosses with the, like, the rolling ball. That's what it reminds me of. I can't remember what that brand is called. I'll figure this out later because I feel like I'm about to break this. Oh, I push up. Looks like you push up to get the product to work, but I don't want to spill this. So, I don't know if you guys can see. The color is kind of hard to see because it's covered. I'm trying to see if it's written here. Oh, yeah. So, I got the cinnamon color. Hopefully, matches my skin complexion again. This is the only thing. So, yeah. I'm excited to try this exclusive product, apparently, because apparently it's just coming out. So, definitely will give my thoughts on that as well. So, if you're interested in influencer, like I said, you do not have to be an influencer like I am. You would just have to be, you could be anybody, literally. You don't have to have a following. If you have a following, that's great because it brings up your impact score. Pretty much your impact score is all your social media platforms together, plus also your impact score contains how many followers you have. So currently I have 167 followers, and then my impact score is consisting of my Instagram, my Facebook, I believe. What else? My Twitter, which I leave my referral code down below if you're interested. Like I said, it's a free app. You don't need to pay anything for the app. You don't need to pay for these boxes. These boxes come to you free when you do get the boxes. But once again, like I said, I feel like being consistent on the app is how you get a lot of bosses and all, get free stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, next subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.